Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to put you on to my favorite Shea moisture collection, period. Like, it's the Power Greens line. It is so good, so moisturizing. My hair feels like butter when you put in the products. Like, it literally, the shampoo is moisturizing, the conditioner is moisturizing. This is literally like your wash day holy grail. It's so bomb. So none of the products are for like styling, but it will have your hair cleansed, moisturized, and ready to go for whatever products that you choose to actually style your hair with. Now I'm gonna give you a quick run through of the products, and then I'm gonna show you how I apply them, how I use them throughout my wash day. So you can see I look a little crazy. My hair is very dry and it's just in need of some moisture. So this is what I'm starting with. So you can see, okay, you see what I'm working with. You see what I'm working with. And I'm gonna show you the after at the end of the video. So you'll see complete 360. Okay, so the first thing is the shampoo. So you want to, and it's like a very liquidy consistency. It's not super thick, which I like because if it's moving like this, it's gonna allow that movement throughout my hair. Does that make sense? So the shampoo is really good. So then is the Power Greens Hair Tea Rinse. So this is interesting because after you shampoo, you can put this into your scalp, and it has like a little nozzle, so it's perfect for pouring. This is also a very liquidy product. You apply this to your scalp and then you massage it into your scalp until it's gonna lather up a little bit, but not too much. And then you go in with the conditioner. Boom, right away. And the conditioner is really thick. I'm gonna show y'all. And it's green, so it's really cute. Very thick conditioner. You go in with the conditioner, condition your hair like normal. And I usually leave my conditioner in for like 5 minutes. So I'll put it in, then I'll continue to shower, and then I'll rinse it out. So then that could be your complete wash day, but I also like to do leave-in treatments, that type of stuff. So this is the Power Greens Reconstructor, and this says, our ultra-rich formula infuses hair fibers with intense moisture, fact, to help minimize breakage and strengthen weak strands. Instantly smooths rough cuticles for frizz-free styling. This joint is so bomb, literally super bomb. So I'm actually gonna skip shampooing today because I honestly just don't feel like it. I shampooed last week, so I don't shampoo that often, maybe like once or twice a month. Honestly, once, if we're being honest. So I'm gonna start with the hair tea rinse, which you put on your scalp, lightly massage, and then you go in with your conditioner. So to make this easier, I'm gonna break my hair down into just sections. I'm just gonna work in 4, which is normally what I do. And remember to be gentle, because when your hair is all brittle and all dry, it's the perfect time for it to break off. Yeah, and you can see it's dirty. I got little things, and like, what is going on? Like, I'm not a 5-year-old. So I'm just gonna apply to my scalp. And I really like the smell of this collection. It's just very fresh and refreshing. Put some in the front. And you can see I have this light little lather. And it says, drench dull hair with light hair tea for amplified experience. Use instead of shampoo on light wash days. And then it says on full wash days, use this as a second step in your hair care regimen for superior softness. It feels really good. And the green tea is very calming. Like, I just feel so relaxed. And using a product like this, you're promoting growth by scalp massaging, which sometimes honestly I forget to do, but with a product like this you're forced to do it. Win-win. All right, so I think that's good. So then to apply the conditioner, I'm gonna break this section down one more time just so I can really coat all my strands of hair. And you can see like my curls are very defined at the root. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. So I really like that so far. Imagine your whole head that defined, that moisturized. Oh, I'm stupid. Trying to put this clip in backwards. Ow! Dang, I can't even pump this joint. That's my one complaint about Shea Moisture products. I feel like their conditioner should be in a squeeze bottle or like a tube so I can get it out easier. Like, pumping is so irritating. Using a not dime-sized amount because let's be realistic. Going to apply. Lightly detangle with a wide tooth comb, being very gentle with the ends because we're not here to rip out our hair. just to give me some moisture. Very moisturized, very defined. And I'm trying to tell y'all, it's even better when you're in the shower and you do this, because it just feels so good. But I'm about to go on a walk, so I want to give myself the opportunity to let it really moisturize and let it really soak in. Should I add some of the reconstructor? Yeah, might as well. Ooh, and this one is very liquidy, so I'm gonna show you the consistency. It's like a nice thick cream, so I'm gonna go in with this. And it literally just glides through your hair like butter. Like, y'all can see my fingers are just gliding through. And I always like to do one last detangle. Ooh. One last detangle before I twist it up. Boom. Balm, detangled, moisturized, defined. So I'm just gonna do that on the entirety of my head. All right, so as you can see, I'm done. This side has drawn up a little more because I did this side first. This side's still a little more elongated, but overall, it's already feeling juicy. So I'm gonna hop in the shower after I go on a walk. So I'm gonna go on a walk outside. It's like 90 degrees, 85, 90. So my hair's gonna get a lot of heat to lock in all that moisture. And yeah, then I'm gonna come back after I rinse it out and show you guys the final results of just what my hair really looks like. It's gonna be so bomb. I already know, feels really good. And I just love it. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. I haven't even done my skincare. I might look a little darker. I went on a 45-minute walk outside, so that might have did, that might have did a number on me. But here is my, here's my hair, freshly out the shower. And you can see the curls are defined really well. My hair is very manageable. I can literally rake my fingers through with no problem. Both sides. And it just feels really good. Like, you wouldn't think that I cleansed my hair because there's no resistance. Everything is just gliding through. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Like, look at this. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos from me, if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.